Alright, so this is Squishy and Rozzy, and we are headed out to the Solstice event.
Yep.
This is the 2018 FPV Solstice. Right now here in California we have moderate temperatures, light winds, and 14 hours of daylight. That means our golden hour is longer than it is throughout the rest of the year. We just got out of a pretty mild winter. I wouldn't even say we have a build season here, but it's time to fly, and there's a lot of people in town. Pretty much all of the flight club and all of its prospects, call them the porch monkeys. So I think everyone's going to be here. Hopefully Ruben will be here as well with his little podcast setup. He'll bring you probably some action from it. And I think that everybody's going to have their cameras on, but we don't have internet where we're going to be. We're actually going to be camping for 2 days out in the middle of nowhere. I'm passing through Nevada City right now, driving up to some dirt road I'm going to turn off on, and hopefully all my batteries and memory cards work for the next 2 days, and I can bring you some of the action.
There are no men in here working with traditional gold pans, nor are you likely to see entrances to the great deep mining tunnels of the quartz mines, because this is a hydraulic gold mine, and as such, it's one of the most historically significant spots in California.
Gentlemen, you are the top 1% all naval elite. The elite. Best.
So this is the first day, and we already got planes in formation. Sick! Do you know how to do left hand? No. Yeah. There you go. Left-handed saddle, side saddle.
Oh, bro, it's just like, dude, you get the best barrels ever, dude. Just like, you pull in, and you just get spit right out of them. You just drop in and just smack the lip, pull back, drop down, smack, ah! And then after that, you just drop in, ride the barrel and get pitted, so pitted like that.
Alright, so it's the first morning of the solstice. We got bacon cooking, and people are already flying.
Alright, you got this.
Yeah!
Awesome.
Yeah! Oh my god, dude. That's so crazy.
Think your name's gonna be on that plaque?
Yes, sir.
That's pretty arrogant, considering you're coming. Yes, sir. I like that, pilot.
I got it on film.
I'm cool with that.
So you got to go get it.
It's all good.
And you did it with such style.
Right.
That walk of shame was outstanding.
The plaque for the alternates is down in the ladies' room.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, you kill me. You really do.
Oh yeah.